6.3 Experiment. Aim to prepare a pure sample of the complex potassium trioxalatoferrate K3FeC2O4 3H2O. Theory: potassium ferric oxalate is a coordination compound. Treatment of freshly prepared ferric hydroxide with oxalic acid results in formation of ferric oxalate. This soluble ferric oxalate, in the presence of excess oxalate ion obtained by reacting ferric oxalate with potassium oxalate, yields the trioxalatoferrate. Requirements: apparatus, china dish, 10 cm wide, Bunsen burner, water bath, water suction pump, 500 ml beaker, watch glass, Buchner funnel, filter paper, vacuum desiccator, etc. Chemicals: ferric chloride equal to 4G, oxalic acid equal to 5G, ethyl alcohol equal to 20 ml, potassium hydroxide equal to 5G, potassium oxalate equal to 7G. Procedure: dissolve 4G of ferric chloride in 50 ml distilled water taken in a 250 ml beaker. Next, dissolve 5G of potassium hydroxide in 50 ml water taken in another beaker. Mix potassium hydroxide solution and ferric chloride solution in small portions with constant stirring. Filter the precipitate of ferric hydroxide formed using a Buchner funnel. Wash the precipitate with distilled water. Dissolve 5G of hydrate oxalic acid and 7G of hydrate potassium oxalate in about 100 ml of water in another beaker. To it add freshly formed precipitate of ferric hydroxide along with constant stirring. Heat the contents in case the precipitates do not dissolve. Do not disturb the contents for some time. Then put the filtrate in a china dish. Heat it to reach the crystallization point. Place the china dish in a beaker filled up to the brim with cold water. Cover the china dish with black paper because the complex formed is sensitive to light. Decant off the mother liquor. Wash the crystals with ice cold water and then with ethyl alcohol and dry them in the folds of filter paper. Weigh the crystals. Observations. Result: green colored crystals of potassium ferric oxalate are obtained. Do not let the volume of filtrate to get reduced more than half of its original volume. Do not heat the filtrate strongly, otherwise the crystals obtained will not be in proper shape.